Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up levels on Discord using Probot. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Discord, click the register option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, to set up levels on Discord using Probot, you'll need to install and configure a Probot plugin called Discord Leveler. Now, this plugin adds leveling functionality to your Discord server, allowing users to earn experience points or XP as they participate in the server's activity. Now, the first step is, if you haven't already, now I need you to visit the Probot website it is in www.probot.io and start authorizing the bot to join your server. You can simply click the add to Discord to do that, but you might want to click the browse features. All right, and from here you can easily create embeds for your server, react to the messages, and of course get roles, reward your most active and engaged members, and a lot. Of course, this is going to be about leveling system. If you are not familiar with the leveling system, you can reward your most active and engaged members. So you're like simply incentivizing your members inside the server, right? You can set your preferred level type, set no XP roles and no XP channels, and a lot more. Okay, now let's get back to the Probot and simply click the add to Discord. What will happen is you will be prompted to authorize the platforms for both. And all you have to do is choose the server that you wanted to add it. Now I'm going to choose the Andy Guides how-tos videos. And this requires you to have your managed server permission in the server. Click continue. And you can customize the permissions if you wanted. But for now, let's leave it as it is. Click authorize. Just wait for a little bit. And there you go. We are already inside the Probot. And of course, once you are inside the Probot, what will happen is, now once you are on the Probot dashboard, you see there's an option that says here leveling system. Alright, so there are like no XP roles, no XP channels, and a lot more. But we're going to deal with that later because we need to first assign roles in our Discord server. So I'm gonna switch over to Discord right now. Now here, once you are inside the Discord, click on the server settings and I need you to click on roles. Okay, now from here you can of course add roles here. For example, okay, so here you can create another role. Now I'm gonna put something like level 1 for now, level 1. And I'm gonna choose maybe like a yellow. Okay, save changes. All right, and go back. So that's level 1, and create another role where we're gonna name it level 2 for now. And I'm probably like switching for the green one. And save changes. And the last role that I'm going to create is the level 3. Create role, and I'm gonna put it like a red color for now. Now once we head back to the roles here in Discord server, be aware that there is a hierarchy in terms of the role. For example, Probot is on top of level 1. That means Probot can moderate level 1 to the new role. All right, let me just very quickly. So Probot can moderate level 1, 2, and 3, but he cannot moderate MEE6, Zapier, and moderator. So you need to make sure that the Probot is on top by dragging Probot here. Right? There you go. Save changes so that Probot will automatically be able to moderate level 1, Sorry, let's do that again. This one and this one. And click on Save Changes. Now let's switch over to the Probot now. Now once you are on the Probot dashboard, you see there is no there's this section for no XP roles and no XP channels. Now XP role once again means experience, and you can select the no XP roles for the certain roles here, but I can't find the level 1, 2, and 3, so I'm gonna refresh. If that's the case on your part as well, try to refresh the page. All right, I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna hit F5 or Control plus F5. Let's see if anything happens. All right. Okay, so there you go. So level 1 and 2 and 3 is already here. So you can provide, if for example, level 1, 2, and 3 get experiences if they commented, chat, or sent like a feed, photo and video in our channel or server. All right. So they get points for that. Now, on terms of the XP channels, you might want to click for now the VIP for sale. That's going to be no experience channels. And now make sure you save all the changes before you proceed to anything. And in terms of the rewards, you have the text level, voice level, and rewarded role. You need to click on the add role reward. All right. Now, for example, for text level, say for example you love like putting information on the chat board, you're gonna put something here, but let's put it onto the one, and the voice level is this one, and you select the rewarded role. For example, the more you put in text on this specific server, you get more points. All right, so for both voice and text, remember that the text level and voice level has a different reward system or points for that matter. Now, you can also have the option to remove with high reward or DM member. I must toggle that for now, so it's a lot easier for me to do it later in the server. And once you're happy with that, you can always delete all these options if you feel like it's no longer necessary within the server channels, all right? And again, you can always edit the display top members by text or voice, the rank, and XP and set level. Remember that to avoid spamming, users get random amount of XP each minute while chatting. That's going to be a very good option later. And remember, in the rewarded role, Probot should be in a role with the higher position so that he can manage and moderate all the levels. That's why earlier in the roles in the Discord level, we made sure that Probot is on top. All right. And once you're happy with that, okay, so let's skip Probot for now, save changes, and switch back to our server status. Now, once you're happy, just click on the server that you are belong to and type in your message or text or voice, and you get roles for that or reward points for that. All right, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.